Today I'm going to show you how to install a new wallet, a new crypto wallet called the Obvious wallet. I know you know about many other wallets, but today this is a new and a sleek one. It supports very many chains. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So it's called the Obvious wallet. I'll leave the website link in the description below. So the fastest crypto experience ever. Obvious is a self-custody wallet that brings together assets across EVM and non-EVM chains and powers your cross-chain transactions by giving you safe, fast, and affordable bridging and swapping routes within the app. We shall do that later on. So let's continue down. So it's just not another wallet. I won't read a lot of this. It's a multi-chain, so I'm just going to highlight a few key points. It's a multi-chain yet chainless. I'll explain that later on. It's blazing fast. This is the truth. I've used it. It's really quick. The user interface is so sleek, so nice, so cut through the noise. Obvious unclutters your portfolio by rolling up your tokens across different chains, forms, wallets, and showing it as a single native token. I'll show that to you in the next video. Get notified, receive real-time notifications. So as we said, it's multi-chain. You can also watch addresses of other people and see what they're buying and what they're selling, transactions in their wallets. It has also a Web3 address book to set up connect. It is secured. It's secure and private by design. What people say, I want this, the team. I'll leave the link in the description below. You'll read about the team and the whole project. It's backed by these people: 2AM VC, Saka Ventures, and Advantage founders. So to download it, you choose here. You choose either, if you use an iPhone, you choose App Store. If you use an Android like me, you choose Play Store. So I'm going to click on Play Store. It takes you directly to Play Store. So I'm going to click on install, and I'll come back when it has installed to continue. The installation didn't take long, so the installation has completed. So I click on open. Click on open. It's loading. You can see Obvious. So welcome to Obvious. Obvious is a self-custody wallet that brings, we read this, so you click on next. So you can choose, what shall we call you? Enter a nickname. I'm going to put, since I'm going to use this, I'm going to say YouTube because I'm recording this video. YouTube, that's what I'm going to call it. So let's go. YouTube wallet. Since YouTube wallet. So you click on let's go. So hey YouTube, okay, that's the name that I'm using, that's the name I chose. So if it was another name, it would call you by that name. Let's get you started. So what are you going to do? We are going to create a new wallet. Are you creating an existing wallet, or you're creating a new wallet? In this case, I clicked on create a new wallet. It's creating a seed phrase. So I clicked on create new wallet. So now, should we back up now? No, I'll back up later. So, okay, let me back up now. You click on this. Back up now. Back up now. Back up now. So back up manually. Quickly back up your wallet manually for now. So back up with the silent. This is coming up. So if I want to back up manually, I click on back up manually. This is it. Back up manually. You authorize it, they'll give you. So now here I'm going to, if I click on this, it will reveal my secret key. So click on reveal. So this is so I copy it to my clipboard, and then take me home. So this is our new wallet. Okay, don't show me again. This is our new wallet. So this is our new wallet. This is the wallet. This is the wallet. So obviously we have 0. So view portfolio, it is 0. The tokens are 0. Okay, everything is 0. So let me click on more. So this is the name of the wallet. As we said, you can change this name to any name. You can change the name. You can change this name to what you want it to. You can change it. So you can change that anytime. Wallets, I have one wallet. Click on wallet. I have one wallet so far. Quests, I'll talk about it. Quests, okay, let's click on quests. So send tokens to wallet, you get something, you get an NFT. Yet complete swap. Okay, let's go back. We go back. Networks. So far these are the networks. Obvious is on. There are really very many. I can't count them now. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think 16 or 17. So these are the networks. So connections, if you want to secure and backup, we finish that. So this is how you install the Obvious wallet. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to send tokens. That is how to send tokens. I'll make a video how to, these are going to be send tokens. I'm going to make a video how to send tokens, how to receive, how to bridge, how to swap, how to cross chain. I'll make all those other videos. So how to also connect. So it's so slick. So that's how you, okay, you can add the watch list. This is the watch list. We have one wallet. So this is the Obvious wallet, demo wallet. It has it's 1,600 USD. So let us add the wallet. So let us add Vitalik's wallet, Vitalik.f, so that we can watch it. It's resolving address. If you know any address of any one public figure in crypto, you can easily add it and watch what happens there. So we have I've added Vitalik's wallet. It's going to show us the tokens he has and everything. So wallet successfully created. Remember, it's just a watch list. I can't do anything with it. So this is Vitalik's wallet. It has 11 mil, and these are the tokens he has. If you look through a lot of tokens, I won't go deep into that. So that's how you add. That's how you add a wallet. If you want to create another wallet, you can click here. Not really there. You can click here. You can create a new wallet again. Creating a new wallet, and you give it any name. I'm going to say demonstration. That's the name I'm going to use. Address, setting up your wallet. So securing your keys. Successfully created. So I'm going to say demo wallet. Remember, I already have the original wallet, so I have now two wallets. So you see, I have YouTube. The original wallet I created is here, YouTube Obvious wallet. You remember, that's the first one when I was setting up the account. And then I've also created the demo wallet. So you can create as many wallets as you want. So that's how you install the Obvious wallet. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.